Now, one of the reasons people can be a bit suspicious about the ability for other people to see your calendar is that maybe you don't want the wrong people clogging up your diary. Don't we have enough meetings? But one of the great things about the invitee questions area is it will actually allow you to not only find out a little bit about the people that are booking your diary, but more importantly, and this is a good hack, allow you to feed them information about who they need to be and the kinds of things you can do for them. So have a think about the sectors you operate in. Have a think about the personas that you want to talk to. Think about their pain points, their issues. Think about how you can help, and use these areas to really drill down. Get them to select things that are going to help them have a better conversation with you. All of this, by the way, when they book your diary, will go into the calendar appointment, so you'll be able to see that later on. So think about what you could be asking them, but also think about adding new questions to make your life easier. You can also make things mandatory, be careful with that, and you can make things multiple choice as well. So some really cool things you can do with this area. Some of the recruiters that I work with say, well, that could be good killer questions to enable you to only meet the candidates that really fit your criteria. So have a think about that and use this area really well to make the meeting booking process more aligned with what you're trying to achieve as a recruiter, resourcer, or marketeer.